On the Google search, you want to search for QR code generator, and then you want to scroll down until you see this www.theqrcodegenerator.com. I will leave the link on the description if you want to access it. So you just click on it one time. Once you are in the website, you can enter your website link right here on enter URL, or upload a file or picture or anything that you want your website visitor to go into when they scan your QR code on your website. So for example, I want to add on my YouTube link. So when they scan it, it will go to my YouTube profile. Just copy the profile link and then go back to the QR code and then do a right click and click on paste. After you paste the link, just click on enter and then it will generate the QR code for you. And then at the right side of the QR code generator, as you can see that you can actually adjust the design of the QR code, like adding your own logo or make it more colorful. But you have to sign up or sign in first into the QR code generator. But don't worry, if you don't want to do it, you can just click right here on this copy icon beside download logo. And then you can choose the image size. You can just choose on 10,000 pixel and there you go. After that, you want to go to your WIX site editor. And then here at the WIX site editor, you can just find the specific place to put on your QR code. For example, I want to place it here. Just click on add section. And then on the section, you want to make sure you are choose it. And then you can just click on Ctrl and V on your keyboard or Command and V if you are using Mac. Or you can also do right click on your mouse and then click on paste to paste on the image of the QR code. Here on the QR code, you can actually resize it to make it more smaller for you and drag it around all of your website. If you still have any question about Wix, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to add a QR code on Wix. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.